Hey there, I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos. If you're a YouTuber looking to elevate your content, you might want to consider uploading your videos with custom thumbnails. Not only do they help viewers easily identify your videos, but they also contribute to your video's overall engagement. To add a thumbnail to your YouTube video, follow these simple steps. 1. Open your YouTube video editing software. You can use any video editing software, but I'm going to use Adobe Premiere Pro for this example. Click on the Add Media button to add your video file. 2. Once your video has been added, open the thumbnail creation tool. This is usually found in the same menu as the video editing tools. Click on Thumbnails from the menu. 3. Choose your video's resolution and size. YouTube recommends a minimum of 1280 x 720 pixels. Click Create to start designing your thumbnail. 4. There are plenty of templates available to help you design a perfect thumbnail. Choose one that aligns well with your video's content and style. Adjust the text, colors, and other elements as needed until you're happy with the result. 5. Once you've designed your thumbnail, click Save to save your changes. You can now preview your thumbnail in the same window to ensure it's looking great. 6. Finally, click Apply to save your changes and upload your video to YouTube. You'll now see your thumbnail in your video editor and on your YouTube channel. That's it. With these simple steps, you can add a professional-looking thumbnail to your YouTube video. Happy creating!